Thinking back to like my training, we were supposed to be able to get the plane any place in the world within plus or minus 30 seconds. And on this particular training mission, I got us there in 15 seconds. Lots of time to spare. I thought I was doing a really great job. Hi, I'm Adam Draper. I'm the CEO of Gladiator Law Marketing. I feel the heavy palm of my instructor's hand on the back of my head and slams me into the equipment. He just screams over the sounds of the engines going, and he says, 5 seconds, and I'm paraphrasing here, but we don't guess in this community. And the idea behind that is that yes, the standard is 30 seconds. But if you want to be successful in a world-class level, you have to set your own standards. And the same can be said for owning your own business. And especially when you're taking other clients' budget and being responsible for that, you need to hold yourself to as high of a standard as you possibly can. It's a matter of having pride in the work that you do and putting in the work and to driving to the results that both you and the client are going to be happy for.
You know what's really interesting about both Adam and I, so there's 8 years difference between us. And what that means is that we actually are both almost the firstborn, right? So we're both insane type A people. Adam is flying huge C-130s, Special Forces in the Air Force. He has always been the best at whatever he does. And of course, as the firstborn, I come by that naturally as well.
After my first commitment, which was about 8 years in, I decided to get out and look for another opportunity.
Adam was a God thing. Never in a million years did I think that I would have the privilege of running a company with my brother. That was never the plan.
Lisa started up the company because she wanted to spend more time working with small companies, and she's a designer by trade. And she wanted to spend her time doing design work. And so I was able to come on and to problem solve and to provide value. And I think that that's the key aspect in any business relationship is providing value, whether that's value to your clients or value to employees or the partnership that you have. When I was in the military, I was a navigator, so think Goose as opposed to Maverick. My job was to make sure the plane got where it needed to be and then to also operate the weapon systems that were involved on that plane. From a technical perspective, like actually doing the job, just to stay efficient and up to date on current technologies, I mean, we called it a lifestyle because it was. I mean, it took that much time and effort to be able to do that job at a world-class level. What is so difficult about the attorney marketing side is just how fast things frequently change. What is going to be acceptable to Google and what is going to be acceptable to the client, because when we can track phone calls, we can track all these other metrics, and at the end of the day, those metrics don't tell you anything about how well the campaign's performing. It's a softer skill set with the marketing as opposed to the more technical nature of being in the military.